welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Liv and I'm so happy you found me. Back in September, I was very fortunate and I unexpectedly received the iPhone 15 as a birthday gift, and I'm so grateful. I have had the best experience with it. That being said, I posted an unboxing video for you guys. You guys seemed to really enjoy that video. Got a lot of positive feedback. So for Christmas this year, I happened to get another Apple product, and seeing that you guys seem to like Apple unboxing, I decided I'm going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys. And for this video, we are unboxing the iPad Air 5th generation and the Apple Pencil. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here is the iPad and here's the Pencil, of course. I am going to start off with the iPad and then move on to unboxing the Pencil. This is the moment of truth. Here it is. And here is the color. This color is stunning. It doesn't really fully capture the color on video, but if you guys can kind of tell, it's a very similar pink to the color of my sweatshirt. It's slightly paler, but this is such a gorgeous pink. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. This is so weird. I haven't had an iPad in so long. It looks silver on the camera, but it definitely is pink. The color of my nails practically. I think it's bigger than the last iPad that I had for sure. This will be perfect for exactly what I need it for. This iPad is the 256 gigabyte, and as I said earlier, it is the 5th generation of the iPad Air. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and try and turn it on. Oh. It's always the best part of getting a new Apple product is unboxing it when the home screen comes up. Okay, before I get into actually going on the iPad, I guess I should probably unbox the rest of it first. So I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna see what else comes with it. So we have the instructions, some Apple stickers, and some more instructions. And then, thank God it comes with this box, because the iPhone 15 has the same USB-C, but it did not come with a box, so I didn't have one. I only had the box for the old iPhone cord. I had to buy one, which was a little bit frustrating considering how much Apple products cost. But now, this came with it, so perfect, thank God. Okay, that was a little less satisfying than I was hoping it to be. Sorry guys, I'm trying to be aesthetic for you, but it's not always realistic. But anyway, here's the box. As you can see, it's meant for the USB-C. And then it also comes with a cord with both USB-C. Okay, so now, starting the iPad experience. Oh, okay, so I can bring my iPhone near it to sign up. It came right up on my phone, so I'm just gonna press continue. And apparently it's supposed to automatically connect it. Ah, this is always the coolest part. Okay, so it's saying to continue through my iPhone, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now it's saying it's gonna take a few minutes to activate my iPad. Hopefully this won't take too long and I'll be back once it's activated. Okay, so we're doing the Touch ID. How do I? On the top. Oh, there's a touch. Okay, I'm stupid. I was literally gonna go like this, but there is a Touch ID on the top. I just added the Touch ID with the little touch bar on the top. I was not aware that the new iPads had that, so that's a pretty cool feature. Now that I got that done, it's asking me how I want to transfer apps and data, so I'm just gonna do it through iCloud. It's time to set up Siri, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so it's gonna take about 2 minutes to update. I almost forgot, but there's a whole nother thing that I can unbox while we're waiting for the iPad, and that is the Pencil. I have never used an Apple Pencil before. I'm really excited to experience it. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. here it is. I honestly don't know what to expect because like I said, I've never had one of these before, but I am very excited to find out what it's all about. Let's see what it comes with. Here are the instructions on how to attach it and pair it. And here is the pencil. Here's a closer up look. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It has a very specific feel to it. It's almost like a matte feeling. That's the closest thing I could think to describe how it feels, but it sits well, just like a pencil would, and it's definitely going to help me with my editing process and graphic design. So I'm very excited, and I think I am going to go ahead and attempt to pair it to my iPad. Hopefully it's successful, so I could show you guys how to do it. Attaches magnetically to pair, charge, and store. Oh, interesting. So it's supposed to attach onto the bottom. Oh, wow. Okay. So it pairs on the side. As you can see, it came right up. Use your pencil to handwrite any text. I did not realize that it magnetically connects to the iPad, so that's actually a really cool feature, and I wasn't expecting that. I don't know, I'll say happy holidays, I guess. Ah, okay, that's cool. Okay, double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Okay, that's actually really cool. Laziness at its peak is being able to switch between this by just going like that. That's pretty awesome. Cool. So it is officially connected and it looks like I am ready to go. So again, here is the iPad. Here is the pencil that connects magnetically when I put it on the right side of the iPad. And the volume button is right above where the pencil sits. I don't know if you guys can really see it very well. Here is the camera. Here are the speakers on the top. There's also speakers on the bottom. The USB-C spot for charging it is on the bottom. And here is the touch bar on the top. Alright guys, so the iPad is officially set up and ready to go, and the pencil is connected. I am so incredibly beyond grateful that I was gifted this iPad. I can't wait to use it and have it now to further my career, and also, you know, to have fun with it because it is an Apple product. And that is all for this unboxing. If you guys are interested in seeing a customization video where I customize my home screen and organize my app, be sure to let me know in the comments because I would be happy to film that for you guys and release it. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and possibly subscribing. As always, I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you all had a fantastic holiday season, and I will see you guys next video. Bye!